Have you get error messages when installing a game or a software? Yes, you've got different types of error messages when installing a game or a software. So I teach you how to fix those error messages. DirectX. You should install DirectX. It is published by Microsoft. You can easily search DirectX in Google and download it. If you are not subscribed to MyTeChLink YouTube channel, please subscribe us. Thank you. Then click Downloaded File. I have already installed this software. Then click I accept the agreement. Untick Install Bing bar because if you click it, Microsoft Bing is installed to your computer. Then click Next and DirectX install to your computer. Microsoft Visual C++. You should install this software. It is hard to search on Google and download it because you should install all the version of these software. I made all in one package. Download from description. If your system is 64-bit, you should install both 86 and 64. If your system is 32-bit, you should install 86 only. Nvidia PhysX. You should install Nvidia PhysX also. You can easily search Nvidia PhysX in Google and download it. Then click Downloaded File and install. I have already installed this software also. Zip. It is not a required software for a game. It is an extraction tool. You can install it by searching 7-zip in Google and download it. Then click Downloaded File and click Install. Then close and it was installed to your computer. You can extract .7z, .002, .003 extension files from this software. .3DP chip. It is not a required software for a game also. It is a driver updater tool. You can install it by searching 3DP chip in Google and download it. Then click Downloaded File. Then open a window. If your drivers are updated, it shows green tick. If your drivers are not updated, it shows yellow mark. You can easily single-click on yellow mark driver and download it and update driver. End of my video. Surprise at end. If you are not subscribed to MyTeChLink YouTube channel, please subscribe us. Thank you. A power cut. I saved the video for good time. Oh my god!